Got me upside down, spinning around you.
Stressful day. I got my ears packed, my bags packed, and we are ready to go. Gabe and I are going to Florida to celebrate our anniversary.
Video of driving.
The airport's not as packed as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be way busier than this.
You got a repair? You got a repair? No, you can't get onto the screen, no.
I don't know this TikTok you're referencing. Cannot believe we are really on our way to Florida. We are headed there for our 5th wedding anniversary. I'm so excited to get there, check out the hotel, relax, and we are going to a special dinner day to celebrate our anniversary. I cannot wait. So excited to get there. I cannot get over this view. These clouds are gorgeous. Oh man, this is so beautiful. Do you see these clouds? So pretty. Man, this water's going pretty smooth too. Oh. We made it. We are just taking the tram over to the terminal to get our luggage.
Doors and hold onto handrails.
Baby.
So we're not renting a car, so we are taking Mirrors Connect to get to our hotel. I see my gentleman carrying all the bags. So we're on the Mirrors Express bus. We're headed to our hotel.
5 are roses, cloves, lavender.
Caribbean Beach, driver.
So I guess our stop is the last stop, and we are the only people on the bus. Y'all, the bus ride on the way to the hotel was jamming. So right here, I am singing and dancing to Crazy in Love, but I didn't want to get flagged. So of course I had to mute the audio. And I'm just sitting here chilling, and Gabe's just making sure everything is set up before we get to the hotel to check in. The drive up to our hotel was so pretty. I want to say this is where like all the Hilton Good Neighbor hotels were kind of lined up on the same little area. Finally pulling up to our destination, the Waldorf Astoria is where we're going to be staying, and they're doing some construction, but it was still a beautiful hotel. We made it. We made it.
Waldorf. You know. Is you coming?
Oh my gosh, this lobby is gorgeous. I cannot get over this view. So pretty. The hotel gave us something for our anniversary. These balloons. I don't know what we're gonna do with these balloons, but. Oh. This is not a Disney view.
Alright. So, Waldorf Astoria, we made it.
Okay, so when we walked in, I kind of rushed it, but just a quick little room tour. This is a little entryway. Here's the bathroom. Got a soaking tub. Really cute vanity area. Oh, this is a nice size shower. Gorgeous. Some fancy little hotel soaps and, you know, shower caps, toiletries, the whole little essentials. I cannot wait to do me a nice little bubble bath in this tub. It's gonna be so nice. And we just have a 1-bedroom little suite. So this is the little coffee bar area, king size bed, and a couch, and of course our TV. This was supposed to be a Disney view room, but obviously I don't see how, but anyway, it's fine. The view is still pretty. It's pretty cute. We'll see if we can see the fireworks tonight.
Alright, so Waldorf Astoria, we made it. Okay, so when we walked in, they kind of rushed it, but just a quick little room tour. This is a little entryway. Here's the bathroom. Got a soaking tub. Really cute vanity area. Oh, this is a nice size shower. Gorgeous.
And we just have a 1-bedroom little suite. So this is the little coffee bar area, king size bed, and a couch,
World of Disney. 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 Now I'm Baecation. World of Disney. Here we go, back on this long journey to freedom. Going from one side, which is a Hilton property. The side I just came from with the restaurant was, I think it's called the Seagull or something like that. There's a Hilton property. You walk through the conference area, past about 10 conference rooms. I think not 10, maybe about 6. And then it stretches into the Waldorf Astoria on the other side. Back to the crib. Boom. Yeah. So, first night at Ohana was great. Walked out to the springs for a little bit. Then back to the crib. You know, recharge. And be back at it again, bright and early, and bushy tailed in the morning.